Hey guys, today we are playing Speed Simulator X. Now I played the other Speed Simulator, but I think they're different. I'm not sure. Wait a minute. Oh, that's what that means. It's not like... Okay, so yeah, let's just play this. So let's check out this shop. I have like 7 Robux exactly, so let's just get this. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that helps us out. Puts us a bit higher on the list. Yes. Nope. Let's try this. I knew it would work. This is a trick I have used many times. "16 out of 100 rebirth." I have 0 rebirth. I think I know what it means. Not sure though. Nope, not fast enough. Oh my god, this is like the parkour map on the other one. Alright, so there was something I saw earlier. That's it. I don't care if Nick's drink one. Let's try a different path. Wait a minute. Just go that way. Yeah. Oh, great. We're not fast enough. Let's get... Wait, I just leveled up. Maybe I'm fast enough now. Yeah, we're gonna need some more speed. So far, everything I see is on the other one as well. Few minor differences. Some trees are missing. Is there also one? Nope. There's also on the other one a mountain right here. So here, let me show you guys the other one. This is it. I just rebirthed on this one, so I'm not as good, but hey, still got quite a few steps. It's broken. It's broken. Alright. Nah, I'm good. Give it a minute. So this is like the mountain over here. How I used to get up. This tree right here. I'd use it. I'd jump. Or was it? No. I used to jump onto this building. I would get that. So I have a few techniques up my sleeve, but here, let's do this place. Let's do Tim's Mountain. Let's see, since I rebirthed, it's kind of hard. Oh my god! Jesus, I hate this. That's not what I meant by kind of hard. That's not the hard part. There we go. That was the hard part. It looks like I can do it now. First I jumped too short, then I jumped too long. God! Finally, you've done it! We made it to up Tim's Mountain. Oh yeah, we found Tim's gear. What? Looks like we're going here. I have my regrets about rebirthing, but I should have that trail that he's using. Because I rebirthed and it gives you a trail. Yin Yang Trail? Let's see, is it on? Let's. Come on. I got one of those. Got a trashy trail out of it. Alright, yeah, this game is very good. I appreciate this game. Wait. Yeah. Don't know why I don't have that trail. Is it only like the second rebirth? I already have. I think I should. I better have that new map because I know where it is. Oh, so close. So let's get up here and here. Dang it. Just gonna turn it down. Nope. Not yet. So close. Let's try this again. Alright, just some more speed and I'll more than likely be there. Dang it. You can almost go to space, just like 12 more raises. Just realizing what I said, and that doesn't sound right, like 12 isn't almost there. Maybe the opposite, but... Alright, let's go. Sure. Let's give it a try. Mostly because I wanted that, but whatever. Surprise that. Oh wait, that top guy came in first. What a surprise. I was about to get that. Jerk face. Oh! That guy launched me in. Thank you, sir. Maybe we can do that again. You in, sir? Let's give this a try. So close. Alright. Alright, so I think that really concludes up our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support you've been giving me. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you sometime that I make a new video. Peace.